Good evening, everybody. I wanted to know if any other people are joining. Okay, anyway, we can start. Okay, so today we will be doing the list. Okay, so everybody, please open your art studio. As usual, before starting, go to working directory, choose working directory, and I am using this one chipset. So do it. Everybody, please make sure that you are changing the your working directory before starting it. Okay. So anyway, I will also be opening the Word document because I will be switching the page simultaneously, both Word and this R Studio. So as I told you, today we will be the list. Okay. List already I told you it is a collection of elements. First, it is that how you can create a list. Last day I had told you you can use both using C. So that is concatenation. That is one way. Other is you can even use the list command. So let us see it. Okay. So A equal to C 1,4,5,7,9. This is one way. Other option is even you can the only thing is that C is mainly used as concatenation operator and list is specifically for creating the list. Okay. Rishita, today many people have not joined. Can you just once check it off if anybody else is joining?
Sure, sir. Give me
Yeah.
1 minute.
Okay, so I already given here two items. So let us see if both are executing. And A, it is running. Then I will give this one also. I will, for distinction, I will make it as A1 and I will print A1. Okay. Got everybody? I will just this code in your group. Okay. So please do it. So done everybody? Done everybody? Yes or no?
Sir, I got an error.
Sorry?
I got an error. It says object A1 is not found.
Object A1 is not found. Just check it out that if you have run that code with the A1, just see to it that this code you have executed.
Okay, sir.
That is the error. If you don't execute, you will get the error. Done? Rishita? Rishita, could you execute?
Yes.
Okay, great. Now let us move on. What I will do is I will try to extract the items in the list. So if I give here as A1 square bracket 2. So you are getting 5 because first item is 1, second item is 5, third item is 7, fourth item is 8, and last item is 9. Just try to do it. A1 5. Okay, please try to do it. Any doubts? Manaswini, Asuri, Raghavendra, Varshini.
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Asuri, any doubt? Asuri, any doubt? Varshini? Varshini, any doubt?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, fine. So let us okay. So the index number is written in the square bracket. So this is called as your index number. Okay. Okay. So let us move forward. So change a specific item in the list. Okay. How will you do that? Okay. Print A1. So you can see that 34 is done. Done, everybody? Okay. Let us move ahead. Find out the length of the list. So how will you do that? Just type length. Okay. Next is check if an item exists. Okay, how will you do that? So it is true. Now change it with 7 in A1. 7 is also there. Yes, 7 is there. Make it 200. So it is false. Any doubts? Raghavendra, Rishita,
No doubts.
okay. Manaswini,
Understood, sir.
okay. Varshini,
No doubts, sir.
okay, great. So you can add items at the end of the list using the, just check it out. So how will you do that? So using the command append, so you can see here 200 is added. Okay. Now you can even add an item at a specific position. So how will you do that? Append. Okay. So after fourth position, it has added. Okay. Any doubts? Anybody? Okay. The first item it is deleted. Okay. Any doubt so far? No? Okay. Okay.
Sir, how did you define A3 here?
Joining to list. A1, comma A3. Okay. Any doubts with anybody so far? Am I too fast? Raghavendra, are you following it?
Yes, sir.
Raghavendra,
Yeah.
okay. Manaswini, Rashita. Manaswini, Rashita, are you following me?
It's clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. Osuri, Varshini.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Now in the last class, we have created one matrix. If you remember, what was the matrix we have created? Let me see. It will be there here only. Yes. This was the matrix we had created last in the last class. So now we will work ahead with the matrix. Execute this one. Can anybody tell me what is the error? What is the error here?
There is no column 5.
Yeah, there is no 5 here. Okay. So that is what I wanted to tell you here. What I had given here, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2, it is printed as 4. When I gave 1 comma 5, 1 comma 5, but 3 is only there. 4 and 5 is not there. So it is an error. Okay. Now if I change it to M, 2 comma 3. Let us see if it is an error or not. So 2 is K here. Okay. Varshini, did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Manaswini?
Yes, sir.
Manaswini, could you understand the error here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Okay. Now if I give here M 2 comma, so what it gave? Anything in the row of 2, that is B5 and K. If I give here M 1 comma, so what it should give? A 4 and 7. Okay. Any doubts? So it will take 1 and 2 rows as one row. Okay. And it will print. And if you write like this, other way round, okay, it has taken the 2 columns. So it has printed the rows, sorry, columns. Now, if you want to add additional columns in the matrix, so here we are using the command cbind. Cbind stands for column bind. Okay. Okay. Now, if you had done here, can anybody tell me what is the warning message which is displayed? Can anybody tell me what is the warning message? Raghavendra? Let me just give this code to you. Rishita, can you explain what is this warning message?
Yes, sir.
What is the warning message I have got?
In the C bind itself,
Can
when
you
you're
understand
adding
it?
like two columns of the matrix, then
Sorry?
like the number of rows of result is not of the vector length. The vector length is lesser in M1 and more number of length in M2, right, sir? Length is greater in M2 and length is lesser in M1, basically.
No. Varshini? Varshini,
Yeah, sir.
what is this warning message? Can you explain? Can you
It's
understand
not
what is
in,
this warning message?
sir, it says it's not in multiple of like the length 2.
Yeah, that is there. What is the literal meaning in simple terms?
No
Or
idea, sir.
what do you understand from this? Okay, Raghavendra? Raghavendra, do you understand this warning message?
Not clear.
It's very, very simple term. Sorry? Yeah, see everybody here. In a very simple terms, here there is four columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 rows. So when I give the column bind, so it, it, it like fourth column will be. In the fourth column, there is 2 items. Okay. In the third column, in the column there is 2 items. Here I give 4 items. So the column it is 2 items and I gave 4 items. So this is there is a warning message which is showing the telling that the column there is only 2 items can be fit. Why you are giving 4 items? Okay. Columns there is only 2 items can be fit in this column. Like third column there is 2 items, that is 7 and k. Second column there is item 4 and 5. But here I gave C bind means color bind. I gave 4 items. So it is telling that you are giving 4 items. It should be only 2 items. Got everybody? So there are only 2 items and input given is 4 items. That is why it is the warning message. It is not an error. It is a warning message. Okay. So let us move on.
But that is what I said, no, sir. The length of items is greater in M2, so it won't fit working.
Sorry?
That is what I told, no? Like the length of items in M2 is greater than M1.
M,
Okay.
I told, yeah, M means I specifically wanted the word column. It is no items, there are total items is 8.
Okay,
But
sir.
in one column,
Okay, sir.
the item is 2.
Okay, sir.
In one column, the item is 2. In one row, item initially it was 3. Now I added one more row column. So in one row, the item becomes 4. If anybody who did not understand, you can let me know. Now one more command is row bind. R bind, the other word it is row bind. So I will give here command like M3, M3, sorry. So row bind it is, R bind is row bind. So what is the last I had used? It is M2. In the M2, I am adding the rows. How many in a row, how many items are there? Like currently in this row, there are 4 items. So I should give input 4 items. So I will give 3, 9, 100, 8. Okay. Let us see if it is running. And I will give M3. Okay. So one more row is created. Now if I give more than, or sorry, less than, if I give less than 4 rows, 4 items, if I will put here as 5, sorry, 4, and I will remove this 100. So let me see what happens. Again, a warning message is created. And let me see if this is taken. No, it is not taken. Okay. Got everybody this row bind and column bind? C bind is column bind, R bind is row bind. So now I will remove column and row. How I can do that? M4. Okay, so it has removed one row and one column. So I will check if an item is existing in the matrix. How will I do it? Using the same command which I had given for the list. Okay. So what is the like 8? 8 in what is the matrix? It is M4. So it is true. I will give again 100 in M4. It is any doubts? Raghavendra, Maniswini, any doubt?
No, sir.
Raghavendra,
No, sir.
Rishita, Rishita,
No, no doubts.
okay. Varshini, Varshini, any doubts? Okay, in that case, I will be ending the class here for today. I don't want, I think I have given much of the course for today. I will ask you to practice it once. Please practice all the codes which is given, and before closing, save this. So I am saving everything here, and in the very beginning, first class, I have told you that save workspace. This is very important. I gave here 3. Okay, it's because I already have written so many things, and you should not lose all these codes for of today. Because and I want everybody to practice it, and if you have any doubts anywhere, please let me know tomorrow. Tomorrow again the class will be at same time, 7:30. Okay. Rishita, Manaswini, Varshini, please make sure that all your classmates is joining.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Okay then. Yeah. Okay then. See you all. Good
Yes, sir.
night.
Thank you.